from Mother Deborah. Thank you very much, Mother Deborah, for calling in. Good evening to you, ma. Talk to us. You have only 3 minutes. I have a full panel. 3 minutes. Go straight to the point, ma'am.
I know, Mr. Elvis. You have a full panel. Good evening, Mr. Elvis.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening to everyone watching. Just a quick submission. To be honest with you, Mr. Elvis, all these what is it called that very dark man is saying? Yeah, there's a part of me that does not agree. I think this is just a setup. They're just trying to play a script to distract people from what is actually going on.
Mm-hmm.
Because at the end of the day, let's be honest. Okay, this very dark man, I agree that he's criticizing APC, he's criticizing Tinubu, and he's saying Tinubu must not be allowed to come back. But my question for him is, why then are you not supporting the people that want to take out the government?
He will do that.
In one way, you are saying Tinubu, he will do that when, but he's always going against the people. So me, I still don't understand. That's why I'm not buying all these things that he's saying, because in one breath he's criticizing the same. Even Peter Obi is criticizing Peter Obi. So how? When is he going to come out? And at least if you are supporting someone, we will know that this is where you stand. But as it is now, where does he stand? Mr. Elvis, do you know?
That's what I'm saying, that he will soon declare someone that is supporting.
Okay, I hope so. Because for now, he's just sitting on the fence. And for me, if you are sitting on the fence, anything that he's saying, I'm not going to believe
Mother Deborah, you should know that very dark man have the largest followers in Nigeria. He needs to be careful. He cannot just jump into and be supporting somebody anyhow. He could be killed. Have that in mind. Sometimes we need to look at it in a different way. So he's being careful. Obviously, you know that he's not supporting Tinubu. There's no way you'll be supporting Tinubu and be speaking the way he's speaking. But he's being careful. That's what he's been doing. If anything happened to him today, Nigerians will move on as usual. Nigerians are very, very good in moving on so quick. Somebody were beheaded. As we speak right now, Nigerians have moved on. And this person that was beheaded is a Yoruba man. And they recorded him. Nigerians have moved on. So God forbid anything happened to a very dark man. Everybody will still move on. So he's just being careful. Even when they have not even declared anybody, look what they are doing to him now. So
Mr. Elvis, I agree with you. But the point I am making is that you can be non-partisan, but when you are now going to criticize the opposition, so how are you non-partisan? So that's the part that
no, you can criticize anybody as long as you are not declaring who you are supporting, and you just want Nigerians to use their own initiative to choose, or read his body language. Okay, this is obvious. Madarita, we can see you. This is obvious. He's criticizing the government and he's not supporting anybody. Is that not obvious for Nigerians to know what to do? That's what I'm trying to say. So he needs to be careful. Because if anything actually happened to him, everybody will move on, including on this platform. They will talk over 1 week. Very dark man will be forgotten. People don't forget the person where they beheaded. That man labored in vain, and his head was cut off. And Nigerians are shaking their bum on TikTok. Nobody is talking about it. Everywhere is silent in this country. So one needs to be diplomatic when it comes to Nigeria matter. If you come out today, look, I'm supporting this, that. They say, okay, obviously, don't you know, Mother Deborah, that very dark man is the biggest threat, after Peter Obi in Nigeria. He has a huge voice. Now, only Peter Obi get followers past very dark man. Go and find out. Nobody else. If he say yes today, all his followers will follow that yes. So he's just being careful. Let's be patient with him. The way he's speaking now, he's already sending message to Nigerians to know the right thing to do. He's telling Nigerians now directly that anybody that vote for Tinubu again, blah, blah, blah. So everybody should have their senses now. The hardship is affecting everybody. Ethnicism, not a let them see road. Tribalists did not let them see road. They want very dark man, like they wanted Peter Obi to come out in 2023 to tell them to protest. That's what Nigerians are waiting on. Very dark man must tell us who they support. If not because of backwardness that were worrying most Nigerians at that time, Peter Obi must tell us to protest. Because Peter Obi did not order their protest. Then nobody protested. Look where we are today. Marriages are being scattered in Nigeria. Relationships are being scattered. Families and members are becoming enemies of themselves because of the hardship in the country. So for me, very dark man have make it clear that nobody should allow APC to ever come back again. He declaring somebody is not what is we should take seriously for now. That's my take. Everybody are entitled to their opinion.
Well, the way Mr. Elvis is sounding today, I want to believe that it's like you have gotten some information from, maybe you have spoken to very dark man and you have some insight into what is going on. And if that is the situation, then I can see where you are coming from, because you're saying it with so much confidence. I'm going to assume that you probably have some info that we might not have access to. So it's okay. I understand his situation. I'm not going to say I don't understand that.
Thank you very much, Madam Deborah, for your understanding. Because you always speak truth to power, and I respect your opinions all the time. But sometimes I also like people that admit that, okay, they understand where you are coming from. I can never come here to deceive anybody. But the truth of the matter is that he has made it clear that this satanic set of people led by satanic APC, satanic Tinubu and his people shouldn't be allowed back again. There's no way on earth somebody can be paid to come on air and be discrediting them directly like this. It's not possible. What they normally say, they stayed on the fence. We are not too sure. Tinubu that we are criticizing. Who know whether Atiku go better pass him? Who know whether Peter Obi go better pass him? Those are the people sitting on the fence. Very dark man is attacking directly.
But you see, the issue with the state is just that where we are now, Mr. Elvis, you will agree with me that we are almost at the point in Nigeria where we just have to cross our hearts.
Exactly.
To say, okay, we are either we all die or we all stand and wait for Fulani herdsmen to
But
come.
the painful part of it is that, Mother Deborah, the Nigerians in Nigeria are not ready for what you are suggesting right now. You need to be here to understand these people.
They are ready, whether they are ready now or they are at a point. Okay, see your states now. Look at those states. I just spoke to somebody that I know that is in Ubiaja. Do you know that the lady is telling me that when she went to Ubiaja, that a lot of families, because of the insecurity there are a lot of people have run away from there. They have left their home.
Of course, that's the fact.
They have run away to inside Benin. So you can see that the more people are scared to, they pretend not to be ready, the more the disaster is going on.
Okay, let's move on.
Very soon
Thank you, ma'am.
We are going to have local government in Edo State too, just like we have in the West. That people that will be ghost.
Very soon, yes, so very soon, yeah.
Whether people like it or not, is either we confront the situation.
We need to move on, Amma.
They will face Fulani bandit.
Okay.
And thank you so much, Mr. Elvis.
All right. You, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, Madam Deborah. God bless you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay. All right. Let me take this call as well. Hello. Yeah, good evening to you. Your name and where you're calling us from. Can you hear me? Hello. You are not talking.
Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you now, ma'am. Thank you. Good evening to you. Please talk to us.
Good evening, Mr. NAIJA. My name is Charity. I'm calling from Canada.
Thank you, Madam Charity.
I just want to say something based on what this mommy just said now.
Yeah.
You know, some weeks ago, he's been flying that very dark man supports APC. He has shut his mouth. And now the same person is coming out again to say something about APC. They want him to declare. this boy is using wisdom. Declaring a party and he start talking, they will think he's talking on based on hate and the person he supports. He has to be on a neutral ground as a Nigerian and talk.
Exactly.
And every reasonable person will know that this boy is not supporting these people, and this is what is happening in Nigeria.
Mm-hmm.
And if he comes out now and say, I support Obi or I support Atiku, they will not say, hey, it's because of a hate or because he has agenda, because of the person he loves. No, he doesn't want to call anybody so that he will save himself, but he is passing message to everybody. See what is happening, see what is happening. Do you want to vote for this person? The answer is no.
Thank you, ma'am.
Doing his best.
Thank you very much, Mother Charity. Thank you. Yes. They just want VDM to fall on the trap, then they take him out. That's it. You know, and you know what he's doing now, I support it. I'd like to take another call. Mr. Joseph Oji, please talk to us, sir. Mr. Joseph Oji, are you there? Mr. Joseph Oji. Okay. I might not be able to take another call later on. Mr. Joseph Oji, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay,
Sorry
sir.
about that.
Oh, yeah, be quick. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, just a quick one. I just want to miss, Madam Deborah, she's overthinking too much, please. It's high time. Madam Deborah, please, we should stop doubting this gentleman, very dark man. It's high time we stop doubting him. He's in a precarious situation. He needs to be very careful. To me, this guy is, his mom is a teacher. This is where this incident got him. His mom, you see, it's a shepherd's shame to the old Yorubas. All those people occupying Ogbomoso or all of them Ekiti, till Lagos. Shame to all those Yorubas. Besides, my friends, my cousins who are Yorubas, I'm linked to 2 tribes, both Yoruba and Igbo. I've been contacting all of them. Even to the extent my wife's senior brother, if you hear what this man was, he's somebody, Jesus Christ, I can't believe. Everybody, all of them are tribal.
Not all of them, sir. Not all of them.
The ones I'm telling you, the ones I've spoken to, these are people
okay.
from Aguda. We live in Saleko. Let me tell you, where my all of these people come from, they are not tribal. All our granddad and grandmom, they are not tribal at all. We live together. This old woman even showed me one of the Ankara that they had where they had picture of what's it called, Habat Makoli and Nnamdi Azikiwe. They normally dance together, NCNC, years ago. Across Kata Bridge, they will go mainland and go back to island. They are not tribal.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Just show up the governor from nowhere. Take division.
Thank you.
By saying, it was not born in Lagos, it's not a Lagosian.
Thank you, Mr. Joseph Oji.
The one that created his division. And all these idiots who are supposed, these are double masters.
Thank you, sir.
Fellows of, I'm telling you, some of them are even PhD. One of the professors, of course, I went well this morning.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
I'm totally disappointed with all this set of Yorubas, I'm telling you. It's a shame. Where are the Agbekoya?
All right. Mr. Joseph Oji.
Okay. No. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sir. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Okay. Mr. Christopher, we are returning your call quickly if you are there, so that we can quickly move on to everyone. I know everybody want to speak now, but I will not be able to entertain everybody at this time. Mr. Christopher, are you there? I hate returning calls and people don't pick on time. Hello, sir.
Good evening, sir. This is Christopher.
Yes, I already know. I'm returning your call. Talk to us. Good evening to you. 2 minutes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. This VDM is really putting himself at risk. Now, imagine if he has mentioned any candidate he's supporting. With this thing that the federal government is trying to do, they will have a big upper hand. So he's trying to trade with caution, just like that second call, the second caller said. And with where Nigeria is, do we need somebody to come out to tell us who to vote for? He has already told you he's going to make sure that canvas for people to get their PVC, and he's also going to vote. But definitely not for Tinubu.
Yes.
What else do we want? And so we don't need all this putting accusation on him that he's not still supporting. He's finally speaking. And he's speaking and pointing lights to the world that Tinubu is incompetent. There's nothing else. And if he focuses on any candidate, they will bring it up that it is that candidate that is paying him to speak against BAT. So he's doing a great job, and we just pray that Nigeria gets better and we ourselves do the right thing to move our nation forward, because we are all suffering. The people internationally are feeling it. The people in Nigeria are feeling it. So we need to work for a better Nigeria. Thank you so much for the great work, sir.
God bless you, sir. Thank you.